안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Korean language. Whether you're a complete beginner or have already started your language learning adventure, these 5 tips will help you boost your Korean skills and speak with more confidence. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It opens up a world of opportunities to connect with new people, experience different cultures, and broaden your horizons. So grab your notebooks, a cup of your favorite drink, and let's get started. 준비되셨어요? Our first tip is to make a habit of describing your surroundings in Korean. Look around you. What do you see? Let's say you're in the kitchen. You might say, 부엌에서 요리기구를 보고 있어요. I'm looking at a cookbook in the kitchen. As you practice, try to be more specific. Instead of just cookbook, you could say, 질요하하니은 요리계획, my favorite cookbook. Don't worry about being perfect at first. The goal is to get comfortable using Korean vocabulary in everyday situations. 꾸준히 하면 할수록 한국어 실력이 늘게요. The more consistently you do it, the better your Korean skills will become. Tip number 2 is to record yourself speaking Korean and then listen back. This might feel a little awkward at first, but trust me, it's incredibly helpful. Choose a short passage from a Korean drama, movie, or even a song you like. Practice reading it out loud a few times, then hit record. Once you've recorded yourself, listen carefully to your pronunciation and intonation. Compare it to how native speakers say the same words and phrases. Don't be discouraged if you notice mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. 계속 연습하다 보면 점점 나아질 거예요. You'll get better and better as you keep practicing. Chapter 3. Tip number 3 is all about immersion. Let's bring Korean into your daily life through technology. Start by changing the language settings on your phone or computer to Korean. It might feel strange at first, but you'll be surprised how quickly you start picking up new words and phrases. You can also change the language on your social media accounts or streaming services. Imagine scrolling through TikTok or watching a show on Netflix, all in Korean. It's a fun and effortless way to immerse yourself in the language. 매일 조금씩 한국어를 접하다 보면 어느새 실력이 쑥쑥 늘게요. If you keep exposing yourself to Korean little by little every day, your skills will improve before you know it. Chapter 4. Ready to take your Korean skills to the next level? Tip number 4 is to find a language partner. Talking to a native Korean speaker is one of the best ways to improve your fluency and pronunciation. You can practice what you've learned, get immediate feedback, and learn about Korean culture firsthand. There are many ways to find a language partner. You can join online language exchange platforms, look for local language groups, or even connect with Korean speakers on social media. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your language partner is there to help you learn and grow. 조훈 애연이요 파트너를 만나면 한국어 배우는 게 되어 줄지어질 거예요. Finding a good language partner will make learning Korean even more enjoyable. Chapter 5. Our final tip, and perhaps the most important one, is to have fun with it. Learning a new language should be an enjoyable experience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the process. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Watch Korean dramas and movies, and listen to K-pop music. Try cooking Korean food. Find what interests you and incorporate it into your language learning journey. The more you enjoy the process, the more motivated you'll be to continue learning. 한국어 배우는 줄 즐기세요. 그게 가장 중요해요. Enjoy learning Korean. That's the most important thing. Outro. So there you have it, 5 helpful tips to boost your Korean language skills. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your language learning journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more language learning tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep practicing your Korean. Waiting.